First things first, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 ripe yet firm peaches, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of Greek yogurt, plain or vanilla for extra sweetness, between 2 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Adjust to your taste, and fresh mint leaves for garnish. If you're feeling adventurous, consider crushed nuts such as almonds or pistachios, or even granola for an added crunch. To start, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Brush the cut sides of your peaches with olive oil to prevent any sticky situations on the grill. Once your grill is ready, place the peaches on the grill, with the cut side facing down. Allow them to grill for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they have those beautiful grill marks and start to soften. Flip the peaches over and grill for another 3 to 4 minutes. Your peaches should be tender but still hold their shape. While your peaches are getting their grill on, it's time to prepare the Greek yogurt. Place it in a small bowl, and if you have a sweet tooth, mix in a little honey to taste. Now it's time to serve. Place the grilled peaches on a plate, cut side up. Dollop a spoonful of the Greek yogurt on top of each peach half. Drizzle with honey to taste. Garnish with fresh mint leaves and those optional crushed nuts or granola for a satisfying crunch. Serve immediately while the peaches are still warm and the yogurt cool, for a delightful contrast of temperatures and flavors. Just a few tips before you go. When choosing peaches for grilling, make sure they are ripe but still firm to ensure they don't become too mushy when grilled. And don't be afraid to experiment with different toppings. A sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of balsamic glaze can add an extra layer of flavor to this dish. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Please like and subscribe to help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.